Welcome to Learn Step by Step YouTube channel. Okay, let's draw a strawberry step by step. Start by drawing a small, slightly curved leaves. Draw a few small, pointed leaves around the stem. Usually, there are 3 or more. Body outline. Draw a shape that looks a bit like a heart, but rounder at the bottom, coming down from the stem. Eyes. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes. You can add smaller circles inside for the pupils. Drawing smile, cute smile. Eyebrows. Seeds. Add small oval shapes all over the body of the strawberry for the seeds. You can leave the inner circles white for the highlights and color the larger circles black. Outline the whole strawberry drawing to look more beautiful. Leaves. Next, carefully fill in the leaves that surround the stem with a vibrant green color. Coloring the red. Now for the main part. Carefully color the entire body of the strawberry red, making sure to go around the white dots and the eyes. Do you eat strawberry? I love to eat strawberry. I like the red color most. I am in love with red color. Kids, do you think I am creating more attractive videos? I like strawberry shake so much. Enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. More reasons to subscribe. Stay updated on the latest content. Support the creation of more videos you love. Become part of the community. Get notified about new uploads. Brown color for stem. There you have it, a beautifully colored strawberry.